Hello there, my name is Michael Holohan, and I'd like to introduce you to our SAE contest entry called Smart Firedome. After the slide presentation, you'll watch a short video on our bench prototype where we control oil flow to the pistons based on imposed engine load. Hope you enjoy it. Hi again, Michael Holohan here. Now that you've watched the presentation, here's the various engine components that comprise Smart Firedome. Prototype oil control under development, the oil pump, the solenoid valve, there's one per cylinder, the oil sump, and the piston underside. I'll now switch on the oil pumps and slowly deliver the oil out the flow nozzle for cooling the piston. I'll start at around 10% duty cycle, which is minimum flow, and proceed up to about 90%, or full flow. Watch the scope and how the flow increases with increased duty cycle. Duty cycles ramping up. You can see that the flow is increased as well. Okay, that's about over 90% duty cycle, and you can see we got almost full duty cycle. The oil control algorithm will translate the engine's requested load requirement from the injector pulse width and create the correct duty cycle value to the solenoid valve. Take note of the oil samples up there. These quantities are all relative and based on engine size, oil pump size, and pressure. It's just a way to convey the basic concept of Smart Firedome. Hope you enjoyed it.